Hi, my name is Amanda, and today I'm doing Huntington's disease. The genetic principles are determined by this gene. Huntington's disease is a genetic disorder that causes the progressive breakdown of nerve cells in the brain. It basically is like it's just eating away in your brain. The disease is autosomal dominant. It is caused by a gain-of-function mutation. Today there are approximately 30,000 symptomatic Americans and more than 200,000 at risk for inheriting this disease. The major phenotypic features are personality change, mood swings and depression, forgetfulness and impaired judgment, unsteady involuntary movement, slurs in speech, difficulty in swallowing, and significant weight loss. Symptoms usually occur between ages 30 to 50 and worsen from a 10 to 25-year period. The history and physical findings of Huntington's disease. Huntington's disease was first recognized as an inherited disorder in 1972 by George Huntington. In 1933, scientists found the exact gene that causes Huntington's disease. Scientists are to this day trying to find a cure for this disease. The background of Huntington's disease. The molecular cause by Huntington's disease is a neurodegenerative caused by a CA gene trinucleotide repeating, expanding in the HD gene. Right here you can see how it just repeats and repeats. The background of Huntington's disease. The probability of a offspring to inherit Huntington's disease is a 50% chance. Huntington's disease is an autosomal dominant, which means that any infected individual typically inherits this mutation from a parent. As you can see in this picture, the mom has this gene, is negative, but the dad is positive for this gene, and he passes down to 3 of his children, and they pass it down. This little family got lucky and didn't get the gene just because it wasn't inherited by that one parent. The particular chromosome is 4p16. The Huntington's gene mutation that causes Huntington's disease involves a DNA segment known as CAG trinucleotide repeat, which we just saw in the other picture from the other side. The phenotype and natural history. Physically, abnormal walking, involuntary movements, problems with coordination, loss of muscle spasms, and weight loss, impaired voice. For the mental and behavior, it's memory loss, mental confusion, loss of concentration. They're irritable, depressed, anxious, and have mood swings. Management. There are no cures that exist for Huntington's disease, but medication can lessen some of the symptoms. Some medications are tetrabenazine and antipsychotics. Therapy can also help, physical therapy and moving limbs and stuff, and counseling for their emotion and depression. It's kind of hard for scientists to come up with something that destroys the tissue in the brain, and that's why there still hasn't been any way to reverse that. Inheritance risk. Every child of a parent with Huntington's disease has a 50-50 chance of inheriting this gene that causes the disease. If the children does not inherit the gene cannot be developed nor passed on to their children. Although there is no cure, an offspring of a parent with Huntington's disease can always get tested to see if they have the gene or not. Here's my phylogenetic disease of mutation. This is a picture of my brother. As Homo sapiens, we have the chimpanzee, a green monkey, a naked rat, the African bush, the killer of the sperm whale, a leopard, and a green leaf bat. When I searched it up, it said it was, for the chimpanzee, it was 96%. For the green monkey, it was 95%, similar to for the leopard was 86. The green round leaf bat was 83, which is a little weird that we're related to a bat. The naked mole rat was 86. And the African bush elephant was 82. And then the sperm whale was 88%. That's crazy. Well, that wraps it for my disease. Here is my citation. Thanks for watching.